October 28th, and I'm back with another squishy video. And so, let me get my light in session. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this kapibraasan. It's not the squeeze one. It just has some paint right here and a cut open area. But I'm going to teach you how to make this kapibraasan. So what you're going to need is foam. Can you guys see this? Some scissors. Some paint. I have paint. And I don't know. If you have thick enough makeup sponges, then feel free to use some makeup sponges. But so this is my thing of paint. I have a lot of paint. So the camera keeps wanting to fall. Alright, so the colors you're going to be needing are some white. I'm using acrylic paint, and that might run out, so I have a new bottle of white acrylic paint right here. Let's see. I think I have yellow in here. Let me find it. Okay, so I do have yellow paint, but it was just right here. So some yellow paint. Nice little thing of yellow paint. Some brown paint. So the eyes are this color. So you can either use, I have melted chocolate, this big bottle of nutmeg. And I think I'm going to use nutmeg because you can't see it, but it's right here. But I have it. And I think that's all to make this kapibraasan. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to put this bucket of paint down. Alrighty. So, I'm going to start by cutting the shape out. So, this is what I found, like the paints that I had. Sorry. Okay. So, I had nutmeg, white, and some yellow paint. I don't know if it's acrylic paint. It's paint. And if you're wondering where I got these little ones, you can get them at the Dollar Tree. And this was like about $3 at Walmart, and this was 50 cents at Walmart. So let's get started. Alright, so my kapibraasan, you're going to start by taking your Sharpie. I forgot to say you need your Sharpie. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw the kapibraasan head. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I had to trace it because I couldn't draw it, but I got a little Sharpie on the outside of my kapibraasan, which is okay. See, put it right here. But that's fine. I'm gonna put the kapibraasan right there. So this is my trace out, trace out over here, and I'm gonna cut it out. So now I'm gonna shape it because I just cut it out. Okay, so I cut it out. It's about the same size, so I'm just gonna fix the ear. Alright, so now what you're gonna do is you should have like a little placemat. Okay, I have foam and stuff right here. Like, I was gonna use this foam, but it's not very squishy. Well, neither is this white foam. See, it's basically this foam. Alright, but so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make sure, I just realized that I'm painting with a light color paint. So I'm going to make sure I get all the black Sharpie off like this. Okay, so as you can see, it has a yellow color. I'm going to take the yellow and I'm going to get a paintbrush. I think I'm going to use this paintbrush. It has blue paint on it, but so what I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to paint the back with the end of this paintbrush. I'm going to start with the white part because I just realized that it'll be awkward to start with. Like, not awkward, but like it'll mix and it'll get all weird. So we're going to start by painting the back, and I just found a defect in it. Alright. So, and now I forgot to tell you guys, you're going to cut this little piece out before you start painting the little hole. So that's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to cut it out. Alright, I did it. Okay, so now let's start painting. So you're going to start painting the back. Okay, so as you can tell, it's working, but I just have to mention this. I am using white foam, but the foam does not become a decent, like, it's not, this foam is not squishy with foam color paint on it either, but I'm using, what do you want to call it? I don't know, paint, I'm putting paint over it, because it will, make it just a little bit squishier. So, and this is more white. The foam, I'll show you once I pick this little thing on. The foam is like this color, but compared to the white, there's a difference. So I'm going to finish painting this, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys, so I finished painting the front of it, back of it, I'm sorry. I'm going to go get a napkin real quick. Alright, I'm back. I got a napkin, and I got some toothpicks, and you'll see why. Okay, so now I am going to, just adding a little bit of more white. I'm going to take this yellow, and I'm going to paint the top of it. And it's like sort of fading, so I think what you're going to want to do is put just a little bit of white on the outside of it. Like, look, let me show you what I mean. Put some more white paint. And just put a little bit, because that's all I need. Close the paint. I know what you, I did it at the wrong side. Now what you're going to do is just paint a little bit of white paint on the front of it. You know, I'm just gonna like, alright, so I painted just a little bit on now. As you can see, I'm doing it right now in front of you. So I'm trying to hurry up because I don't want this video to be way too long. So now I'm going to take the other side of my paintbrush, and I'm going to paint on the yellow part of kapibraasan, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this is, I'm trying not to get kapibraasan all dirty anymore, because I already got him dirty. He's my favorite squishy, but like, so here's the normal kapibraasan, and here's my kapibraasan. I think I'm going to paint some more. Okay, so I think I did it pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like blend it in. I was just painting on a little bit more, blend it in. Alright, so now that we finished that, you're going to close your paint if you have this type of paint. Alright, and now we're going to do the eye. So I'm going to put kapibraasan. This is his face. Now, we're going to do the face. And I don't have brown puffy paint, and the kapibraasan's is like 3D paint. So, alright, I'm going to take a toothpick. I'm going to, like, circle on the eyes. And I messed up on it. So now, if you mess up, try and cover it up. And if you can't, then your squishy has manufacturing defect. If that's the right word. But most of the time, you can probably cover it up if you use the right amount of paint, or like the right color paint, which I did. So yay for me. Sorry if you're wondering why the noise stopped. It was because I didn't want to get copyrighted for the music, the TV show in the background. Alrighty, so now I'm doing one on the nose. Now I'm doing the inside. Alright guys, so here's the finished product of my kapibraasan. And now I'm going to let it dry. So, this is the kapibraasan, the real and the fake one. The real, I'm going to put this to dry. And I'm going to take away the light, so that's probably why the lighting's about to get all bad. Actually, you know what, I might actually just leave the light right here, because it works really well. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to share this video with your friends, like, subscribe, and in the comments, comment if you do this. Comment, did it work for you? Did it come out like the real one did? Or did you mess up and it came all bad? Let me know. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope it works for you. Bye, guys. Wait, say bye, kapibraasan. Bye.